Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to file for an uncontested divorce in Georgia. First, you must confirm that your divorce is truly uncontested, meaning both spouses agree on all issues like asset division, debt, and child custody. Next, ensure you meet Georgia's residency rules. One spouse must have lived in the state for at least 6 months. This initial assessment is crucial for a smooth process, saving you time and potential complications down the road. Once you've confirmed eligibility, the next step involves preparing your essential documents. You'll need to gather forms such as the petition for divorce, a marital settlement agreement, and if you have children, a detailed parenting plan. These forms are often available from your local Superior Court clerk's office or online. Carefully complete each document, ensuring all agreements are clearly stated and both parties understand the terms. Accuracy here prevents future delays. With your forms meticulously prepared, it's time to officially file them. Take all completed documents to the Superior Court clerk in the county where you or your spouse resides. Be prepared to pay the filing fee, which typically ranges from $200 to $300, depending on the specific county. After filing, your spouse must be formally served with the papers. This can often be done by acknowledgement of service in an uncontested case, confirming they received the documents. The final stage involves obtaining your official divorce decree. In many uncontested cases, a court appearance might not be necessary if all paperwork is in order and signed by both parties. The judge will review your submitted agreements and, if everything is legally sound, will issue a final judgment and decree. This document legally dissolves your marriage. Remember to obtain several certified copies for your records, as these are often needed for future legal or financial matters.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.